Hello guys, welcome back to my class. In today's lesson, we continue talking about the topic habit. And today's topic is small habits, big changes, inspired by the book Atomic Habits. Let's go through the objective in today's lesson. Today, we are going to learn some vocabulary related to our topic, habits. And we will read a short paragraph about a daily habit, as well as review some grammar that we have learned before. The use if present future to talk about result of habits, and the use of the simple present tense to describe your everyday habit. Okay? Okay, very good. So, now, because today we are going to focus on reading and writing skill, let's read together. I'm going to read it out, and you try to write out some new words as well as try to grab the content of this small graph. Okay, so let me read it. If you get 1% better each day, you will be 37 times better after 1 year. Habits are like money. If you save a little every day, it will grow. The same happens with good habits. A small change becomes big if you do it every day. You don't need big goals, you need small action that you repeat. Okay, so let's stop here. Can anyone guess what this means? Okay, very good. Very reasonable. Okay, I want another idea. Okay. Seems like you guys all understand this small graph, right? Okay, that's good. I know that there are some new words to you, right? Um, let's see. I got some new words here. Maybe they are new to some of you, maybe they are not, but they are really important whenever it comes to the topic habit. Okay, the first word, habit. Habit, what does it mean? Anyone? Okay, very good. Habit, something that we do over and over again, right? So, can you tell me an example about habit? Yes, brushing our teeth. Okay, very good. Um, washing our face, right? Yes, going to work every day. Okay, that's really good. So the second word, repeat. Okay, anyone? So can you explain what repeat is? Okay, it's a little bit hard, right? It's seems like you try to explain this word similar to the word habit. Yes, they have the same meaning, but be careful. Habit is a noun, and repeat is a verb, right? Here, let me write down. This is habit is a noun, and repeat is a verb, right? Okay, so can you give me an example using the word repeat? Okay, excellent. I repeat new words to memorize them. Very good. Okay, move to the last word. Safe. Okay, yes, you're right. Safe. Safe is like help, help me, right? But in today's lesson, it has a different meaning. Yes, like save water, save money, right? Save money, save water, save time. Okay, for can you give me an example too? I want to hear your example using the word save. Okay, good. I save $1 every day. Very good. Okay, so we are going to move to the next page. Okay, give me a second. Here. As I mentioned in our objective today, we will review two grammar. The first one, if with the present and future to talk about the result of an action. a habit, right? I also give you two example using this grammar. The second one, we will review the simple present tense. Have you noticed that drinks, the word drinks has the final S? Okay, this is because we use the letter S or ES at the final of the verb for he, she, it. Okay, don't forget it. It's really important for the simple present tense that we have learned before. Now, I want you to write out three sentences using these two grammar. We move to the last part of our lesson today. How to brainstorm before writing. Many students are curious. They ask me that. How to create ideas. They are always stuck whenever it comes to answer a question. Like they don't know how to write in length. They want to write a long paragraph to answer the question to describe something, but they are out of the ideas. Okay, it's really simple. I'm going to show you the way how to brainstorm before writing. Also, one of the most important skill that we are going to learn today, writing. Okay. So instead of focusing on answering the question, you try to make question too. For example, like how to form a good habit. So you will ask yourself when, why, and how. Don't just focus on the question, how to form a good habit, but ask yourself too, when? When should we form a good habit? And why should we form a good habit? And how do we form a good habit? So when, for example, you can answer in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, from Monday to Friday, and for the second question that you ask yourself, why? To feel strong, to stay healthy, to lose weight, right? And how? How? How to form a good habit? Um, for example, do yoga, swim, study every night. Okay, so anyone, like, do you have any question about this part? Like something that you misunderstand? Okay, it seems like you guys all understand this brainstorm skill, this brainstorm method, right? That's really, really good. Now, I want you to dry down. Okay, so it seems like you guys finished it, right? Okay, so I'm going to read my writing first. So I exercise every morning at 7 a.m. It helps me feel strong and happy. Oh, sorry. I work to school and do yoga every day. I try to be consistent. This habit helps me become more productive. Okay, you can see that for the first sentence, I already answered for the question when every morning, right? Why? For in the second sentence, I answer for the question why. It helps me feel strong and happy. Okay, and for the third sentence, I already answered for the question how. I work to school, do yoga every day, right? And you can see that I also add like two more sentences. This is like to show something about me. You can also broaden your ideas. Like if you have more idea, if you want to share more, you can add more. Now your turn to read your writing. You can also notice that I use the present simple tense in my writing, right? Okay, and the word habit, right? Okay, a new word that we have learned today. So in this lesson, you practiced reading the short paragraph, remember? And we also learned three new words. And we also try about our habit. Finally, we learned something really important, that how to um, create your idea, how to brainstorm to answer the question or to describe something more effectively using the mind map. Mm. The goal is to understand that small action every day lead to big result. Okay, thank you for joining my lesson today.